Welcome back to the course. In this section of the course, we are going to learn how to program an analog clock in Scratch. Firstly, you have to download the analog clock assets.sp3 file which I have attached to this lecture. After downloading it, open the Scratch app. Then open the assets file with the Scratch editor you have downloaded just now. After you have opened the file, you can see that I have added a clock picture in the backdrop, and there are three sprites which represent the three hands of the clock. The topmost one is for the hour hand, and the middle one is the minute hand, and the last one is the seconds hand. Now it's time to start the programming of the analog clock. Let us program the second hand first. We want the second hand to be in the middle of the screen and keep rotating. To start with, let us drag a one flat click block. Since we want the second hand to be in the center, let us add a go to XY position block. Let us set both the values to 0, which is horizontally and vertically centered. Since we want it to be updating forever, let us add a forever loop below it. And let us add a point in direction block to the forever loop. We want the second hand to move according to the current second. For 360 degrees, it is 60 seconds. Hence, for each second, the second hand needs to turn 6 degrees. For the seconds hand to do that, let us add a multiply operator to the point in direction block. Let us set the first operand of the multiplication operation to 6, that is 6 degrees. There is a way in Scratch how you can get the current second. So, let us go to the sensing category and look out for the current block. Let us select the second option in the drop down of the current block. Now let us plug it in to the second operand of the multiplication operator. Now let us test it out. Yes, the seconds hand is working correctly according to the current time. We will learn how to program the minute hand in the next lecture. Until then, goodbye.